Okay guys, so quick tutorial, Blink-182 one more time. So we've got 4 chords throughout the whole song. Those chords are not really chords, they're dyads, right? Because there's just 2 notes, but we're going to use the word chords to describe each of them for simplicity. Alright, so we've got 3rd finger, fret number 5 on the A string, 3rd finger, fret number 4 on the D. The thumb then needs to mute the low E string, and the first finger needs to gently touch the G, the B and the high E strings. So we've got a muted low E, we've got fret 5 on the A string, fret 4 on the D string, and then we've got a muted G, a muted B and a muted E. So it gives you this. It's cool because you get the sound of the chord with this kind of percussive scratching technique here. Okay, from there, the next chord, right, we're going to take up the 2nd finger and the 3rd, and then we're going to bring them both back. So 2nd finger plays fret 4 on the A, 3rd finger plays fret 4 on the D. Thumb is going to do the same thing here, 1st finger is going to do the same thing here. So now we've got a muted low E, we've got 4th fret on the A, 4th fret on the D, and then muted G, B and E. That's our 2nd chord. 3rd chord, we're going to leave the 3rd finger where it is, but we're going to take the 2nd finger off. Then we're going to bring the thumb back behind the neck, and we're going to play a power chord. Just here, where the 1st finger is going to play fret 2 on the A string, 3rd finger is staying on fret 4 on the D. Now you're going to use the tip of the 1st finger to mute the low E, and the underside of the 1st finger down here to mute the G, the B and the E. You could potentially also use the 2nd finger to gently touch the E. Okay, so from here we're then just going to take the power chord shape, move it from fret 2 here, fret 3 on the low E, and then 3rd finger at fret 5 on the D string there. So we've now got the low E ringing. So 3rd fret on the low E, sorry, 5th fret on the A, and then we've now got like the D, the G, the B and the E muted. And there's one little thing that happens here as well, where the 2nd finger comes down on fret 4 on the D there. So you will have 3 notes. This note, the E on the E string, on the A, and then fret 4 on the D there. Okay, so I guess there's 5 chords, isn't there? There's this one here, that's 1st chord, this one here, 2nd chord, this one here, 3rd chord, and then 4th chord, adding this one. So there's 5 chords, I guess. Alright, so they're the chords there. So playing the chords is going to be challenging enough to begin with, because you've got to, like I said, fret notes and mute notes, right? That's going to be the fiddly bit to start with. So make sure you can at least play the chords first before you go any further. Alright, once you can play the chords, spend a few days on it if you need to. Once you can play the chords, you then got to learn to change. So say you're changing from this 1st chord to the 2nd chord. Whenever you're changing between any chords, you always want to make sure that you're placing the fingers off the chord you're on together and down on the next chord together. All right? We don't really want to be building the chord 1 finger at a time like that. So essentially, once you can get the chord there, bring the 2 fingers together and bring them down together. Okay, from here, we can leave the 3rd finger down as an anchor, right? And that's going to help us keep our hand, or at least this finger, in the right position to play the rest of the power chord. So from here, we just take up the 2nd finger, come into the power chord position, making sure we play it where we've got the 2 notes ringing, and then the rest of the notes muted. So from here, changing to the last but 1 chord, we're going to take the fingers up together and then move them down together. So again, we're not going to go 1, 2. We're going to be here, lift them up together, down together. And then for the last chord, we just keep these 2 fingers down, add the 2nd finger fret 4 D string, and then there. And then getting back to the first chord. All right, we're going to be back on this this power chord here, because the last part goes power chord, 2nd finger down here, adding this 7th note, back to the power chord. So you'll be on this power chord before you repeat. So the 3rd finger can stay where it is because it's also part of the next chord. Take the 1st finger up. Now you're going to come up with the thumb again and then just bring the 2nd finger down. So I'll try that again from the power chord. You just take the 1st finger off, thumb up, over the top, 2nd finger comes down, and then we mute all of the notes like that. So that's the chords, that's the chord changes. Let's have a quick look at this strumming pattern. It's simply going to be down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up. Let me just double check that actually. Yeah, so it's this, right? So break it down into 3 sections. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up. So section 1 would be down, down, up, up. Section 2 would be the same. Down, down, up, up. Okay, so section 1 and section 2. Down, down, up, up, followed by down, down, up, up. Both together you'll get. The last section is just down, down, up, down, down, up. So all together, first section, down, down, up, up. Second section, down, down, up, up. Third section, down, down, up. All together, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up. And then maybe try that just on the first chord to start with. Just like that. And then take your time going to the next chord. Just see if you can play the next chord with the fretted notes and the muting. Same strumming pattern. Try it a few times because you might not get it right straight away. So again, just take your time, change into the next chord, make sure you're playing it right. And one more time. And then to the last chord just here, same thing again, just take your time, change into the chord. On this chord here, you're going to play the first part of the strumming pattern, which is going to be second part of the strumming pattern with the 2nd finger down. And then third part with the 2nd finger back off. Okay, so first part of the strumming pattern with the chord as it is, like that. Second part of the strumming pattern with the 2nd finger down. Third part of the strumming pattern with the 2nd finger up. So you put all that together, you're going to get okay, and then you can practice putting it all together with the changes. But like I said, first of all, you want to make sure that you can essentially play and strum through each chord as it is, because playing the chords where you are fretting notes and muting notes is more fiddlier than when you're just playing a chord where all the notes ring out. So once you are happy with that, you can then try. Play the whole thing through. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. So give that a go. If you've got any questions about any of the parts in the songs or need any more help, just let me know, leave us a message and I will respond. Cheers guys, take care, have a good one, see you soon, bye bye.